stay connected with us, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click this bell icon to get the notifications on time. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Keya's Craze. Today I'm going to show you Phulkari neckline hand embroidery, and this is the most requested video of my channel, I think, because everyone says to show Phulkari neckline hand embroidery, and I have created this neckline with some easy stitches, easy Phulkari stitches and very easy way. So I hope you all will try it at home and you can do it easily. So let's start. Here I am using a regular pen for drawing. For light, color is looking slightly different because I have captured this video at night. Here I am using needle number 7 and 4 string cotton lacha thread. For Phulkari hand embroidery, you can use cotton thread, cotton lacha thread, or you can use woolen thread. Basically, maximum time everyone use woolen thread, so you can prefer woolen thread. But today I am going to use cotton lacha thread. There are different types of Phulkari hand embroidery tutorials are in my channel. If you want, you can check them. I will put the playlist link in description box. As you all know that we have a group called Craze on FB, I mean Facebook. So if you want, you can share your work on your Craze group, which you have learned from Craze. as you can see, my neckline hand embroidery with Phulkari stitch has been completed, and here I have used some easy stitches so that everyone can do it very quickly. So this if you like this special Phulkari neckline for Eid, then please give a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.